Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was not going to film this video today, but I've decided that I needed to. Some of you may be aware that recently, 5 days ago, my Instagram account got deleted. That's right, all my posts, all my content, all my messages, everything gone. It is really devastating for me because I have worked so hard on that Instagram page. I had just hit 1,000 followers, and it may not sound like a lot to some people, but for me, I worked really hard on getting those 1,000 followers, and I had an amazing giveaway planned, and I just had basically mapped out the next 12 months, and that all came crashing down. You guys would have known that I've had issues with my videos on YouTube as well in the past. This just seems to follow me wherever I go. I know that I do videos on very controversial things, like non-authentic bags. I'm not going to use the R word here because every time I use the R word I seem to get into trouble. So you guys know I've had some issues and I've had a few strikes on YouTube, etc. And I've had to be very careful with what I post moving forward from that point. Going back to the Instagram, I obviously was posting stuff, my content from my videos, and directing people to my site like I normally do. I wasn't tagging any designers. I was not mentioning the R word anywhere. You'd really only get that when you're on my site, the non-authentic bag. But for some reason I still got reported and I still got my account disabled. A couple of days ago when this happened, I didn't know what to do. I sort of thought to myself, this is just too hard. You know, I really want to do this content for you guys. It's so rewarding for me. I've had so many businesses in my life. I'm quite an entrepreneur, and you guys know I'm a fashion designer by trade. I've had multiple businesses, but none have really given me the amount of satisfaction as this does, which is super surprising, right? Who would have thought? Handbags. Out of all the things. So I felt really stuck, and I still feel really stuck on Instagram because I want to produce great content. I want to direct people to my videos to watch so that they get something out of it. But I can't say certain things. I can't tag people. I have created a new Instagram account. I have done that. So it's just Naomi Perris Bags, no underscore, just Naomi Perris Bags, and I will be posting on there, but I don't know how much I will be posting, and I don't know how regular I will be posting, and I don't know if I'm going to be writing any descriptions or any hashtags or anything like that. I think this is why I was reported. So I have to just be really, really careful, and I know this is a touchy subject. I know that it's not for everyone, but I feel like it's important knowledge for people that want to be in this space or want to get involved in this space. They need to kind of have someone doing reviews out there, which is why I'm doing this. So if you followed my Instagram before and you like my content and you enjoy my videos, please follow my new Instagram below. I would really love to still connect with you. I have lost all of my contacts. I've lost all of my messages. So I'm really sorry if you messaged me and I never got back to you. I get back to every single message. So that probably happened in the period where I lost my account. So please follow me in my new Instagram. I really want to continue and keep going with my Bright Happy videos. I want to do some giveaways. I had planned a whole year of giveaways this year. I had 6 or more lined up giveaways that I was going to drop every 1 or 2 months. And now I'm not sure if I can do any of it because I don't want my account to be deleted. I don't want to start all over again. If you guys are here for this long and you are still watching this, if you really want to contact me, head to my website. There will be a link in my Instagram. I'm not putting it down below just for safety reasons. I will give you my website, and if you go on there, that's the safest place that you can be to find me, to reach out to me, to be in contact with me, for me to contact you. Subscribe to my site and I will never lose you if you do that. But if you're on Instagram or any other social media, I can lose you in a click of a button. So yeah, thanks so much guys for all your support. I would not be doing this if I didn't get such amazing feedback, and I get so many messages a day from you guys, and I always try and make my videos better each time that I do them so that it gives you a better viewing experience. I've now started TikTok so that I have another platform just in case, because when I lost Instagram I thought I wouldn't be able to pick Instagram up again, so I have created TikTok. I will leave that link down below because that's okay. But yes, please follow me on my site. That's probably the most safest place. Anyway guys, I am hoping for some feedback here and some advice on what I should be doing moving forward so I can keep doing this for you guys. You know, I wanted to change out half of my collection and have a brand new, you know, 50% of my collection would be brand new for this year. That's what I'd planned to sort of do, and always sort of rotating stock and moving things around and doing giveaways and that sort of thing. And that may still happen, but I just sort of need to get my feet back on track again. Anyway, thanks so much guys. I hope to see you really soon.